There's a lot of talk about ChatGPT. There are even concerns that a lot of jobs may get automated. So in this video, let's do something different. Let's try to give some problems to ChatGPT and make it solve it using SQL or Python. We need to give it proper commands. Let's see how ChatGPT is able to tackle these tasks. Let's start with a simple task. Let us ask what is 2 raised to the power 6. As you see, this is a pretty straightforward calculation. ChatGPT is able to do it, right? Let us consider a second case. Imagine we have a SQL table with name of company, year, and revenue values. Okay. Write a SQL query to find percentage change in revenue year on year, right? If you have seen my YouTube channel, we have solved similar problems before. So we probably would use the lag function and try to do this calculation. Let us see what ChatGPT suggests. Okay, it's giving a table a name revenue and we want to find percentage change, right? So let's see what it shows. It's asking us to use a CTE and it's using lag, as you see, right? And since we want to do the lag at a company level, obviously it is partitioning by company, as you see in the query. And then, it is just doing percentage change, as you see in this step, right? Wow, this is quite powerful, right? I mean, imagine you having to think about it for the first time. It will take you time. So definitely ChatGPT seems pretty useful. Yeah, let us try something else. So I have this text here, right? A random text. Let me just try and copy this. Okay. Let us say, given a text like this in Excel, in cell, let's say A2, okay. Okay, let us say write an Excel function to extract the word dresses, right? So probably what we would do generally, we would probably use the find function and mid function combination to get this, right? Let's see if ChatGPT can solve it. Okay, it's asking, okay, it's perfect. It's saying the same thing. Find and mid function. Find can be used to locate position of the word dresses and then mid. Wow, that's amazing, right? Impressive. And I think this is like cool. So say you're facing business problems like this and you're stuck with formula, you could probably come to ChatGPT and take its help to solve the question, I guess. Right? Quite impressive. And as you see, it's giving a lot of prompt and also the exact formula. You can literally copy paste. So this is really cool. Let's give it one more try. Let us try to give it some Python task. Okay. Let us say, write a Python program to show an output like this. Okay. So in the same line, I want to see 1, then 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. What would we usually do? We'll probably use like a for loop for this, right? Let's see if ChatGPT can quickly solve this question. And yeah, it's going away right away, right? Obviously, it will use multiple for loops for sure. Oh my God, this is pretty simple, but see how quickly it is doing it for you. It's kind of solving the task for you in a few seconds, right? Like writing these basic programs, a lot of companies give such tasks. So I mean, in your job, your job can become really optimal, right? I think as an analyst, like it's definitely, a lot of positivity, like it will help you achieve your job quicker. But at the same time, you need to keep in mind, probably you need to also upskill yourself, right? Otherwise, your job might be at risk in the future. Okay. Let us finish with one more Python question, like probably like a Pandas question. Okay. Let us say given a Pandas data frame with let's say team name, right, match number, and results, let's say win/loss for each row. Let us say write a Python code to find the streak of win/loss for each team, right? So this is a bit tough, like we need to frame it properly. Let's see what ChatGPT reacts. This is like, imagine, you're having like IPL results, for example, like you have Chennai match number 1, they won, then Chennai match number 5, they lost, Mumbai match number 4, they won, and so on, right? What I want a ChatGPT to do is, for Chennai, we need to show the win-loss streak. Like say, they won, then lost, they won, then lost. It should show win-loss, win-loss, right? In that particular order. Let's see if ChatGPT can solve this, right? We need to kind of use a lambda function and do like a string concat, right? That's how we would do it. But let's see if ChatGPT can solve this. Okay, it's going about a streak of wins. I think it's understanding it. It's saying grouping and rolling, group by plus rolling method. Let's see what it's showing. So it's kind of creating a sample data, obviously with some match numbers and results, right? Like it's creating a sample data frame, and then win-loss streak, it's going to show grouping by team name, perfect, result, and then rolling, window equal to 2, so it will like do the streak for that row and the previous row of the same team. Cool. I would probably use a lambda and a group concat of string, but I think this is also pretty interesting. Like it's giving you the value, and yeah, like as you see, yeah, I think getting confused a little bit with the streak. I wanted something else, right? I wanted the actual streak. But as you see, right, I mean, maybe we need to frame the question better, but it's able to like at least give you a start, like an idea towards proceeding. But as you see, it couldn't get the exact result, right? This was slightly complicated problem, I would say. But it's still helping us in some way, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, right? This was just to show like how ChatGPT can help us, and where ChatGPT can also help us optimize our time, right? I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care.